What's up, guys? Welcome to a new video. I'm Fabio. Welcome to the F-Spec Performance channel. Today we're gonna do something on the the EF chassis. So we're going to change pads to prepare this little guy for some track, some road racing. We got some Ferodo racing pads prepared right here to install. We got a different color for the brake calipers. I wanted something different. I choose lila. I hope, or purple-ish. I hope it will come out great. I don't know for sure, but we shall see. And we got some brake fluid. Slightly better brake fluid than a slightly better brake fluid, so that the boiling point doesn't reach its max, and I don't think I'll be braking that much. I don't know for sure, but even though, yeah, we got some brake fluid right here. I already did the brake swap that I was telling you guys I was going to do. Yeah, let me get the wheels off real quick, and then we'll continue. We'll go from there. So as you can see, right here, there's no brake pads, of course. I'm gonna change them with this specific brake pad. These are the DS2500 Ferodo pads. These are street slash track pads, so that they're not dedicated to the track, but they're the bang for your buck if you wanna if you're like a weekend warrior and like to go to the track so now and then with your daily or something in that sense. Mostly the guys that prefer these pads, because these pads are the best pads around. Especially around here. I'm gonna try them for myself. Heard a lot of good things about them. I went with had different pads. Got them right here. But I recently found out that they wouldn't fit. These are for a newer Civic, like the 5th gen. These brake calipers are from EE9 or EF9. If you're, yeah, they're from EF9, so they wouldn't fit because of these are too fat to fit. And right here, I will just show you very shortly. Look if you can look at the difference. These are the difference. This one has a little pin around here. This one doesn't. So yeah, that's the difference, and they're a little bit smaller than the other pad. Yeah, let's go and install them. These pads, you got to break them in, and there's some restrictions. Gonna tell us how to do that, but before I'm gonna do that, I need to change a little bit more, a few stuff. Right here, I got some OEM rods for the left joint and right joint, and gonna just OEM rods. just to be just to have a little bit of reliability, and yeah, next time we're gonna upgrade eventually, but that will come later on. For now, I want to make it all functional so that I can go on a track this year and maybe do some, yeah, like I said, road racing, autocross, and then later on we can go and do some track days on Zandvoort or on TTS and Nürburgring later on. We'll check that eventually. Well, yeah, let's start by putting in the pads, and then later on I'm gonna bleed. I'll show you how I do that, and yeah, just to keep up with the build. Trying to get back on the uploads. So yeah, we're grinding right now to get everything done and ready for the track for this year. Corona ain't gonna stop us. Okay, let me get my tools and things that I need. I'm gonna time lapse you guys. I don't want to bore you with things you already know. For the most people that are watching, know how to do the brake pads, right? So yeah, let's crack on. Still good though. So after a while, we changed the front brake pads on the front, on the right side, and yeah, the left side. I made a brake bleeder because for some reason mine disappeared, or the one I used to use disappeared. So right now I'm gonna bleed the brakes. Already put some oil in, some brake fluid. Gotta keep an eye on it. For now, I'm just gonna bleed the fronts because yeah, the rears already had bled them. And yeah, I do not have a seat, and I do not have a second person to help me out. So I made the hose a little bit lengthier, so I can keep an eye on it, and yeah, stick my feet right there. So the reservoir is topped off, got enough fluid in there, brake fluid. Right now I'm gonna try do a test run, looking if it's gonna break or do something, just checking if it's fine, and then yeah, we'll go from there. I still need to put my seat on, yeah, seat, my bracket. Got my bracket over there. I'm fabricating it to fit. I don't want to buy an expensive one. Just going with a cheap one and trying to fabricate something to fit these rails to mount. I'm gonna cut that part off and then make it fit almost OEM. Yeah, so I already did a few stuff. Installed the battery locating position. Still need some R&D, a bracket to hold that, and yeah, the alignment must be very off, and of course, look at that. Yeah, it's going for alignment, so it doesn't really matter. Tried my best to get it as straight as possible, but nah, forget about that. Yeah, the back is having a weird flex, weird camber thingy. Don't know what it is, but I think I'm gonna have to get it out. I think it's the U joint or the, I don't know what it is. I'm gonna check that eventually. And yeah, car needs some little things right now. I'm going to fabricate a new exhaust because the exhaust is very loud and annoying. So I'm gonna put some resonators in eventually. Just waiting to get a new welding machine because my welding machine broke. Well, my welder broke, and yeah, it cost me a lot, but I don't know, strange. Yeah, so I need to wait for that, and then eventually I'm gonna, yeah, that's the last thing I need to do. But first, let's start by checking if the brakes are doing its job. So I guess we're done for the day. Yeah, we did the brake pads. We changed up the tie rod ends, and yeah, we need to fasten down the seating bracket. Let me see. Yeah, little things that need to be done. I need to change the rubber from the steering rack. That's all eaten up, and need to change that too. I don't know what it's called. Comment down below if you know what it is, what I'm talking about. Yeah, so it's almost done. I can't believe this. It's functional and not the fastest, but we got some new tires, some new pads, just little things in the interior need to be done, and some things in the engine. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm trying my best to get as much content as possible. I hope that you noticed that. And yeah, we're going pace by pace, and it's almost there. We're almost at that point that we're gonna take this little boy to the track and enjoy ourselves. So yeah, leave a like, subscribe, and make sure you comment. Tell me what mod is important to do next when you're going to the track. Am I forgetting something? See you in the next.